Every Volvo ABG paver brings over 75 years of construction equipment experience to your road construction projects. This CEV4 compliant machine, along with an eco-mode engine, which makes it the best partner for medium and large-scale projects in terms of both quality and cost. A pioneer in road construction, the new and advanced EPM3 control panel, the P7920D, is the best at what it does. This paver is designed to take on the most demanding applications of various materials. The industry-leading VB88 screed provides the best road quality. Comes with paving width of 2.5 meter to 10 meter. The slim width auger box provides for better quality matte finish. The industry-first CareTrack telematics helps send real-time data for better maintenance and productivity, and the Volvo Green Key is unique to the Volvo P7920D. With its excellent operator safety and comfort features, the P7920D is your absolute guarantee for the smoothest pave.